This is the interior unit inside the house underneath my staircase, where the old boiler was, and you can see in the corner here, if I put my finger there, that is the old chimney flue, which just haven't got around to filling, but that's no longer being used. And the red tank on the left there, that is the expansion vessel. So this is the Pilote, and it has a little control panel here. If I see if I can get it to come up. Now, I don't know how well, if I flip this around, I don't know how well you can see that. That is the current temperature, 44 degrees of the water in the tank, and the flashing is the radiator symbol saying it's requesting heat. You perhaps can't see very well, but there are various symbols as well. On the left there is a symbol saying that the ventilator is on the heat pump, and that one compressor is on, and it's on fairly low power at the minute. If I press these buttons I can get into different settings. It's a shame it's a bit tricky, I'm not sure how well this will come out, but you can hopefully see there we go, the temperature outside is 8 degrees, I wasn't far off saying 5 or 6, actually it's a bit warmer. And the current calculation, it's decided it needs the water to be 53 degrees, so that's a fairly low temperature. The radiators will feel fairly nice and hot to touch, but not burningly hot at that temperature. So this is currently a fairly efficient running of the system. And it's pretty quiet like that. If I just back off a bit, under here is the how well this is coming out, unfortunately, but there is a circulator pump just off the corner here. I don't know how well that's going to come out, but that circulator pump circulates the water off here through to the heat pump outside. And I need to insulate these pipes. I haven't quite got around to finishing that yet, so there's a little bit of heat loss there, and I could improve that. And then on the left hand side, this is the circulator for the radiators, and it goes off through the central heating pipes. They were the existing cast iron pipes that were fed from the boiler that used to sit on the floor here. That is the current look and sound of it at what is a fairly low temperature. It's going to be working quite easily. I might be able to see what the temperature yes, the temperature of the Pilote currently is 44 degrees, and what will tend to happen is it will up the effort to boost that temperature to get it up to 53, which is its current calculated temperature, loi de l'eau. But it's just ticking over at the moment to get the house up to, we've asked for 20 degrees on the thermostat. So there we go, that's the Pilote, or the exchange tank, if you like, for the central heating.